Well, hello everybody. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. So today I'm going to be reviewing my new mini fridge called the Coolatron 6-can personal mini fridge. This is what the box looks like. Coca-Cola.
That's a beautiful view. Go and try and see that much more. Geico. 15 minutes could save you 50% or more on car insurance.
So, what you get in the box is instructions, the unit itself, and you get you get the power cord as well. Now, this has a handle over here if you want to carry it. It's really portable. Over here is just the exhaust fan in the back. This unit does not use any coolants such as Freon or any refrigerants. It just uses a thermoelectric cooler. Opening it is simple. Just open it like that. I'm gonna get a flashlight. So that you can see better. So this is how it looks inside the mini fridge. I just put a thermometer in it just to measure it. Temperature 52, still dropping. Yep. So that's how it looks like from the inside. And this rack is also removable as well to make more storage for your food or drinks. So, there isn't a vent in here, so you must be wondering, how is it cold? Well, it doesn't blow any cold air, but the surface on the inside, that's where the cold is. So the surface is cold. And that's what thermoelectric is really about. Okay, so that's how it looks. Pretty cool, isn't it? Use it for your home, boat, or car. So it's a good use to have. Good